Have you ever wondered how trees communicate with one another? Beneath the surface, they're not just standing still, they're in constant dialogue. Through their roots and a complex network of fungi, trees share nutrients and information, helping weaker companions thrive. This connection allows them to warn each other about pests, ensuring the survival of the forest. Imagine a vast, interconnected web of life, where every tree looks out for its neighbors. Understanding this hidden language reshapes our perspective on nature, urging us to see trees as social beings rather than mere plants. So next time you stroll through a forest, remember, those majestic giants are whispering secrets all around you,